Do you have challenges with things that your vehicle doesn't quite do right for you? For me, it's this strange English accent. The intelligent assistants in vehicles don't recognize it, and they give me a lot of trouble. Well, Toyota may have solved that problem by having a live agent available 24/7 if the car doesn't recognize you. But that's not all they've done with the new Grand Highlander. Real room in the third row for an adult, heated and cooled seats in the first and second row, 3 different powertrains, including 2 hybrid powertrains, and 6 extra inches. New beefy exterior, which makes this vehicle look very capable, and it is capable when we talk about engines, a 2.4-litre turbo, a 2.5-litre hybrid, or you can go for that hybrid max, which is very similar to what's currently in the Crown, and that will deliver a huge 362 horsepower, just enough to giddy up. Who doesn't love 20-inch wheels? That's what this hybrid max has, with a black insert. The regular hybrid gets a 20-inch wheel that has silver wheels. Now, Toyota are moving to something called Beyond Zero, and that's causing less damage to the environment from running and making vehicles. And this is one of the vehicles that helps them get there. In fact, they have 10 hybrids on the market right now, 2 plug-in hybrids, an all-electric vehicle, and a hydrogen vehicle. If you happen to have to take 7 of your friends to the airport, this will actually take 7 carry-on pieces of luggage behind the third row. Now you put down that third row and the second row and you get almost 98 cubic feet of space. The overall length of the vehicle, 6 inches longer. 4 of those inches come from the longer wheelbase. It's all about size with Toyota. And this third row is what it's all about. Over 33 inches of legroom. And this is one of the first 3-row SUVs that I've been in where you can sit comfortably in the back, even somebody of over 6 foot tall. But that's just the beginning of the story of the extras that this Grand Highlander comes with. It comes with 7 USB ports, 13 cup holders, over 12 inches of screen space, a heads-up display, and some really nice fit and finishes, depending on what grade level you order. Now, the current regular Highlander starts at $36,420, but we won't know the price of the Grand Highlander until it comes out later this summer. But I've saved the best news for last. It's built, it was designed, and tested in America.
I'm Nick Miles.